Welcome to GM Test Series, India's leading test series provider for CA, CS, CMA and CFA stream. In this video, I will guide you on how to register or log in at GM Test Series and buy your preferred test. Firstly, you need to enter your details in the sign up section or login section to use GM services. On the top right corner at the website, you can see the visit account panel. You would need to add your details in that section and register at GM Test Series. And then this is the dashboard where you access all the services that GM provides. The GM Test Series app is also similar in the user interface part, which you can download through Play Store. The dashboard also contains study material section and notes, MCQs, not to forget the doubt portal in which you can drop your doubt regarding the test series, which will be answered in 24 hours. And the mentorship program is also provided now, so you can get the details on the left side of the website. Moving on, now select the test series options, then select your stream as well for which you want to buy a test series. Before we move further, let me describe you the different types of test series that GM provides. Unscheduled test series, detailed test series, full syllabus test series, fast track test series and one chapter one test series. New course and old course both are provided if you want to. The difference between detailed and unscheduled test series is that the papers of detailed test series contains 5 chapter wise tests and one full syllabus test, which will be provided to you on scheduled dates. But if for any reason you were not able to attempt the test, you can attempt it before the expiry date. And the unscheduled test series is similar to detailed test series, but you will get all the papers at once and you can attempt them anytime as per your convenience. The full syllabus test series contains 2 full syllabus tests of each subject, which will be given to you on scheduled dates. The fast track series is best suited for those who want to practice and complete the syllabus a little faster, and but the one chapter one test series is for those who want to practice each subject in depth and thoroughly. You can select your preferred stream first, whether it's CA Final, CA Inter or CMA, CFA, and then click apply. Also, the prices are also mentioned with every subject, by the way. You can purchase the test series subject wise also if you wish. After selecting the test, click on add to cart and review your choices and total prices, which will be mentioned. At last, you can pay for your test series through any payment method, whether it's UPI, debit or credit card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you. Have a nice day.